In this video, we're going to do a little surf and turf, little bugs and bird. This is the second cook with our new Mesa 2 from Monument Grills. Link in the description below. Hit that subscribe button down there. Check this out. We got our heated up, screaming hot, about 700 degrees just for a quick initial sear. And we have got ourselves some marinated split chicken boobs on here. We marinated these with Lowry's garlic and herb. You can find that at your local grocery store. We've been using this off and on for years. It's a great marinade for this stuff. Pop these dudes on there. Nothing like that sizzle, man. I like to grill chicken breast hot and fast, especially when you thin them out like this. Split chicken breasts cook up great, and they're pretty easy to do, pretty quick. You just don't want to overcook them, and cooking them hot and fast makes it go a little bit better. Let's see if I can get away with some of these trimmings. And I also like to sterilize my tongs after handling the raw meat. Let's go ahead and close that up a bit. Now we are not going to cook these very long because they were screaming hot. And let's go ahead and get this unstuck. Definitely going to need some more of that seasoning on these cast iron grates there. Good deal. Look at that. That's not bad at all, huh? We're cooking these things hot and fast. They should release. Okay, there we go. Good deal. You guys leave me a comment if you need a video on how to split these things. It's actually pretty easy. But if you can catch them partially frozen, that makes it even easier to get them split. Nice, nice. Put it off of there. Not bad at all. Look at that. That looks super. Using a marinade like we're using, or any brine recipe that you might be able to find online, really makes split chicken breast or any chicken breast a lot better. When you grill them at a high temperature, the brine helps them retain moisture so they don't dry out. And if you're able to cook them hot and fast, that'll make them even more moist, believe it or not. All right, now it's time to get them shrimp on here. Bird and bugs. All right, look at that. Awesome. All right, and in pretty short order, I don't know, it's probably been 15 minutes. I don't know if you can see from the glare. That's pretty much right at 160. The wind is messing with this thing. It is really windy today. We are good to go on those. Let's get them off of here. Flip these shrimp. These will only take a quick minute to finish. Look at that. Look at them shrimp. Y'all ought to be able to smell that from there. And just like that, these bad boys are done. Now that is some good surf and turf right there. Throw these on there and take them on in to the rest of the fam. Yeah, baby. Beautiful. I tell you what, it's hard to beat a quick and easy meal surf and turf with some shrimp and some chicken breasts. That is one good looking plate right there that you can't get in a restaurant at any price. Another beautiful meal with a Monument Mesa 2 from Monument Grills. There's a link in the description below. If you guys are looking for a new gas grill, give Monument a look. They got a lot of different models, a lot of different sizes, something for everybody, and they're really great little gas grills. If you have any questions, leave them down in the description below. I'm looking forward to hearing your comments on this. Give me that thumbs up like button, hit that subscribe button down there so you don't miss videos like this one. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.